Greetings one and all, good morning. Probably tell by the bed head. Just rolled out of bed. Excuse me. Yeah, so I was watching on YouTube. I found this channel. It's like it's basically it's POV breakfast cooking, point of view, and made me a little nostalgic. So I've been watching them a little bit more lately, and watching them make French toast. And I thought, man, French toast sounds really good. So I'm gonna make French toast today. You know, it's not really much of a challenge, but it just sounds awesome. Now I tried to get some Texas toast, but they didn't have any, so I got this Seattle International sourdough. I think that would work. Plus for dinner tonight I can make a nice grilled cheese with bacon. So yeah, let's get to it. First we need meat. Of course, my favorite is bacon. Alright, so I got some sausage here. Now, I'm gonna be honest, these aren't my favorite. In fact, I was gonna buy some Jimmy Dean's sausage, but I didn't want to waste these, so I want to use them up before I move on. Now, I guess I could leave them in the freezer, but then they get all freezer burned, and I'm gonna do 6 because I'm gonna take I have to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna take I got basically, because I'm working a 12-hour shift, I'm gonna take breakfast and lunch to work, or breakfast and dinner. Throw a knob of butter in my egg pan. Alright, so I actually have a coworker friend who raises chickens, and so I've got nice farm fresh eggs. Mine are unwashed because, you know, I can wash an egg. It's pretty simple. Eggs for the custard. I'm also going to be doing cheesy scrambled eggs, so I'm going to do near miss. There we go. I might have jumped the gun a little bit on the sausage, but alright, so the way I like to do my French toast custard is I do a little bit of vanilla. About that much. And then, now, even though Alton Brown is my culinary hero, he uses half and half, but I'm just going to use milk because I've actually got something later I need to make, and I'm going to use milk for it, so that's why I'm doing milk. So and then just mix your mixture. I don't use honey, I don't use other stuff in it. I mean, I have honey, but I'm not going to put it in there. I just make sure you break up all the yolks well, and that's ready to rock. Alright, so we got round 2 going for the bacon. Like I said, I'm making extra for tomorrow as well. Sausages are done. I just got the burner down to melt, so I'll keep them warm. Cast iron's heating up. Got my egg pan ready to roll. Getting it done. Second round of bacon is done. I'm seeing a little, sorry. Seeing a little smoke, so oh, damn it. in it just now, which I'll show you here in a second. Drop my piece of bread right into the bacon grease that I hadn't dumped out yet. Well, that does look pretty good though. Looks like fry bread. Oh, got a little dark. Too busy screwing around, not getting anything done. Alright, got my eggs here. Of course. Maybe just French toast. Alright, not too bad. Maybe a little darker on the bottom, but I did turn the heat down a bit. Because I'm not going to be cooking, anymore. I can throw some butter in there and flavor it with butter. If I was going to be making 3 more pieces or another piece, then I would not put the butter in there because butter can burn. It's only because I'm going to be turning off the pan and not letting it cook any further. And I'm gonna call that French toast done. Scrambled eggs are simple as they come. And they're done. My burner is plenty hot to finish cooking them to your desired doneness. Or in my case, melt some cheddar cheese. My arm's not in the way too much. It's looking pretty good. Alright. And of course, gotta add the bacon. Everything's turned out. That was breakfast. French toast, sausage, scrambled eggs with cheese and some bacon. And I saved that piece of bread that fell into the bacon grease, and of course I got my orange juice too. So, alrighty. I don't use syrup because, you know, I got kind of a weight issue going on, so I don't need all that extra sugar. Yeah, French toast is good. Yum. I don't know what to do with this. I kind of want to taste it though. Oh man. Cooked in bacon grease. Alright, well, I do want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the playlist for Cast on Wednesday. Will be down in the description. And I'll try to link Shovelhead 8's channel as well. He's one who kind of keeps us going, so I do appreciate that, Sean. So have a great rest of your week. Have a good one. Enjoy your breakfast. I'm going to enjoy mine. I'll catch you next one.